In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your website using Bluehost. I know that starting your first website can feel super overwhelming. With so many hosting providers and website builders out there, it's hard to know where to begin. But don't worry, I'm going to guide you through the process. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and today I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to get your website up and running using Bluehost. We're going to cover everything from choosing a hosting plan, setting up a professional email address, to installing WordPress. So before we dive in, let's talk about what Bluehost actually is. So Bluehost is a web hosting company that offers affordable and reliable hosting services. It has grown to serve millions of customers worldwide. Bluehost provides various hosting options, including shared hosting, cloud hosting, VPS, and managed WordPress hosting. One of the reasons Bluehost is popular among beginners is its user-friendly interface and one-click WordPress installation. This makes it super easy to manage your website, emails, and domains without needing technical experience. So before we dive into your website, you're going to need to choose a hosting plan that suits your needs. If you want to follow along, I've left our exclusive link in the description below. Once you click that link, you can go ahead and click Get Started, and it will bring you to all of the plan options. So they've got Basic, Choice Plus, and E-commerce Essentials. As you can see, the Basic is just $199 per month for 12 months, and this is saving you 83%. With this plan, you get 10 websites, 10 gigabytes of storage. It's ideal for 40K visits a month, free domain for the first year, free site migration tool. There's a bunch of security. You even get Yoast SEO free plugin, pro email free trial, as well as static content caching, object caching, and more. And then they've got the Choice Plus. So this is saving you 75%, which is just $3.95 per month for 12 months. With this, you get more websites. So you get 50 websites, more storage, higher visits a month. And then some extra features are domain privacy for the first year, as well as malware detection / removal. And then with the e-commerce essentials plan, this is just $6.45 per month for 12 months. So you're saving 66%. Again, you get more websites. So you get 100 websites, more storage, more visits per month, and you get the e-commerce tools as well. So you get secure payment processing, WooCommerce auto install, product subscriptions, visitor memberships, offer paid courses, and so much more. So again, you want to find the plan that best fits your needs. Even just getting started off with the basic plan, and you can always upgrade later on. So you go ahead and click choose plan, and then we're going to do this later. Now, what you want to do is go ahead and select whatever term you would like. So the 1 year is going to get you the best monthly price. So you can go ahead and add on anything else that you would like, and then continue to check out and just add your card in. So also a cool thing about Bluehost is you do get a 30-day money back guarantee. So if before the 30 days are up, you don't feel like it's the hosting provider for you, you can go ahead and get your money back. Okay, so now once you are in, as you can see, this is where you can set up your Google Workspace and professional email. Here is where you can go ahead and add a domain. You just click add domain and you can get a brand new one, or you can transfer one. If you click add a domain, you can go ahead and click buy domain, and then you can go ahead and search here. You also can generate a domain with AI. So let's just say you're a weight loss coach for women and I use the mind body method. Generate domains, and it will populate some for you. So you can go ahead and select one. Now what we want to do is go to the website, and we're going to go ahead and click add site. And this is how we install WordPress. It is that simple. You just click install WordPress, and then we're going to skip this, but you can choose a title and select a domain, and we just have to wait a few moments while it is installing. Once that is installed, we can go ahead and click edit site. Now what we'll want to do is edit site, but I just wanted to show you around this dashboard because there's a lot going on over here. So this is where all of your posts are. So this is where your blog posts will live. This is all of your site pages. So if you want to add a new page, you can go ahead and click add page. And then if you want to edit, you can just go ahead and click right here. This is all of your pages. There's product reviews, comments, and then Elementor, and then templates. And then we've got appearance. So this is where your themes. So you can select a theme that best fits your needs. What you'll want to do is make sure you're selecting a theme where you like the layout of it, okay? Because you can change all of the branding, the coloring, the text, but you want to make sure it's something that you like how the layout is. This is where you can add plugins as well. So if you wanted to add WooCommerce or, Yoast SEO, this is where you would search already installed plugins, and then add plugin. You just click right here and you can click add plugin. And then we've just got some users, some settings, etc. So now let's go ahead and edit the homepage just to show you quickly. I recommend using Elementor because Elementor is a free add-on. There is an upgraded one that you can use, but I really like Elementor because it's just a super easy way to edit everything. So here you can see all of the different sections, see how it's highlighted, which section we're working with. So let's just say you want to add an element, we want to add a text. All we do is drag it over and then we can type whatever. We'll definitely need to change the color. So we can go over here to style and the text color. We'll just go to white. So again, I'm not going to go into too much depth on how to edit because we have a bunch of different videos on that. I just really wanted to show you how to actually get everything set up. But just so you're aware, this is where you can kind of change which page you're editing. This is how you can go ahead and see the tablet versus the phone view because you want to make sure it looks good on both since so many people use their phones these days. If you want any advanced like motion effects, so you click motion effects, you want to make sure you're clicked on the container that you want. So fade in right, if that's what you wanted, fade in up, whatever it may be. The cool thing about WordPress is it is so customizable. You can edit anything, the font, the motion. There's just so much that you can do to make it really match who you are and your personal brand. It definitely takes some playing around, but with Elementor, it's really easy to navigate everything, drag and drop, adjust things. Again, it takes some playing around, but once you get it, it's so simple and easy to use. So I did want to mention a few plugins that I would recommend. So a few are Yoast SEO. So this helps optimize your website for search engines. There's also Contact Form 7, which allows you to add contact forms to your site. There's also WordPress Super Cache, and this improves website performance by caching pages. There's also one called Updraft Plus, and this provides backup and restoration capabilities. And so again, to add all of these, all you do is go to plugins, click add plugin, and then you can go ahead and search for them. Now that you understand how to get set up, I just want to walk you through a couple of other crucial items to note. So one is securing your website. Security is crucial for any website. So here are a few steps to enhance your site security. One is keep WordPress updated. Regularly update WordPress core themes and plugins to patch vulnerabilities. Next is to use strong passwords. Ensure all user accounts have strong, unique passwords. Next is install a security plugin. So consider plugins like WordFence for added protection. And then make sure you enable SSL. So Bluehost provides free SSL certificates. So make sure you activate it in the dashboard to encrypt data transmission. So to navigate to security, you'll want to be in the Bluehost admin, and then you can go ahead and add SSL certificates. Next is backing up your website. So regular backups protect your website from data loss, and Bluehost offers automated backups with certain plans. Additionally, like I mentioned, plugins like Updraft Plus can automate backups and store them in cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox. Next, let's talk about optimizing website performance. So a fast loading website improves user experience and SEO rankings. Here are some tips to help with that. So one, use a caching plugin. So plugins like WordPress Super Cache or W3 Total Cache store static versions of your pages. Next is to optimize images. So compress images using tools like Smush or Short Pixel. And then minimize plugins. So only use necessary plugins to reduce load times. So maybe go in there once a month or every couple months to make sure you're using all the plugins or removing them. And then lastly, choose a lightweight theme. So select themes that are optimized for speed. Okay, so one of the biggest reasons I recommend Bluehost, especially if you're building your very first website, is just how simple and beginner friendly it is. From setup to support, it's designed to walk you through each step without overwhelming you. And the pricing is super affordable, especially if you lock in a longer plan up front. And if you're unsure, Bluehost also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no pressure if you change your mind. So again, if you are looking to launch your website, make sure you use our exclusive link below so you can make sure you're getting the best price possible. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build and grow your online presence. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.